I'm Certified Financial Planner Cary Stamp, and today I have a tax tip for business owners. So if you've recently purchased a building for your business or another property that you'll be able to use to operate your business from, there are some things that you might want to think about when you're filing your tax return next year. There's a strategy that many of you may be familiar with, but for those of you that aren't, if you've never heard of the strategy of cost segregation, it's something that you should definitely ask your accountant about. If your accountant's never heard of cost segregation, then you should probably contemplate finding an accountant who has. What is it? Cost segregation simply looks at what is inside of a structure. What's inside of the building that you own, and what are the interior things that you've put into that particular place? The outside is just part of the structure, but the inside are items that you can depreciate on a very short-term basis, if not immediately depreciate those items. So if you're looking for a very significant tax deduction and you've recently purchased a building, you might want to think about, is there an expense to depreciating a lot of the interior features, such as the light fixtures, such as the wiring that's going through the walls, and such as a lot of the interior accoutrement of a particular office space. If you've put up glass walls, if you put up things on the inside, if you put in carpeting, if you put in other fixtures that are not part of the outside structure of the building, there's probably a good argument that you can cost segregate and immediately depreciate things. Now, you can't do this on your own. You're going to need to hire an engineer that's going to come in, and it'll cost you a little bit of money, and they'll do a study on your property to tell you exactly what types of things you can immediately depreciate. So if you've bought a new building and you want a substantial deduction, this is a strategy. If you've recently renovated and you want a substantial deduction, this is a strategy. If you don't know what I'm talking about, and your accountant doesn't either, you're welcome to give us a call at Cary Stamp & Company. It's 561-471-7700. I know about this strategy because I've used it myself, and I have plenty of other business owner clients that have benefited significantly by using the strategy of cost segregation. I'm Cary Stamp with Cary Stamp & Company.